Sylvania County, the city of Martinsville, Henry County, southeastern Franklin County, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Spencer, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Chatham, Axton, Pinhook, Spencer, Collins, and Bassett. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway and Martinsville Airport.